Okay, so now at this point now I'm going to export some of these assets here, and I don't know if you know, because it seems like some of you missed a bit. Though I know I said you should worry about that, which is not the point of the task. Is to essentially work on layout, which is what I'm going to focus on more. But I also want to like add in some snippet of things also inside this particular video. So I'm going to show you how to export what do they call it? Let me off this drawer. So I'm going to export assets like from the page, right? So this one here is what they call, it's an SVG, right? So to get this SVG, if you come to the dev menu, this place, you highlight it, or you select it rather, and you come and tap on that particular element. So if you look at your code, you see that I'm now hovering on the whole SVG. Sometimes you might select and you may select something that is inside the SVG. But what you want is to select the whole SVG element, right? Right click and do what? Copy element. Once you've copied the element, go to your code base. I already have my code, some simple HTML, my style.css, nothing is here, right? So look at my folder structure. I have my assets, and some asset there's an img and there's an svg. So svg for svg items. So this is just basic structure, right, for this particular project. So coming to my svg, I think I already have a logo.svg, right? But I'm going to delete this. I'll show you how I created it here. So create a file, logo dot what, svg. But since we want to make it editable, I mean, for my own editor, I have an extension that whenever I have a svg element here, it just displays it for me. So for that, I'm going to call it logo.sv for now. Then paste that element that we copied from the web page. Paste it inside here, right? Paste it inside here. Then I'll rename this particular file now to dot what, svg. And once I do that, it should show me the logo. This is how to copy assets. They have other assets here. Highlight, select the img, right? You can right click this, open a new tab, src, open it in a new tab, then do what, save image. We just select where to put it. My desktop tutorial, clone, assets, img, right? Give it a name, display phone, right? Display, they call it display phone. So same thing, do it like that. Then what, save. Once you've saved it, if you come back here, you should see it in your img folder. So basically how to get assets. You see the QR code here. If you want to get it, but this one is a bit behind two elements, so you're going to have to like do some tracking. Can I track it down? So you can copy the cards if you want to. Open a new tab. I'm going to select this. I will show you how to get the QR code, right? Open a new tab. How to get all these assets. If you can't highlight or select this one here, what I usually do is like delete one that is blocking road, delete it, right? And I should be able to now highlight the one that is free. Open it in a new tab, then highlight the QR code. I think it's an svg itself, right? You can copy this. So copy element, come back to the project, go to svg, create, just call it qr code, dot what, sv. For now I'll create sv, so I'm able to paste this and I'll rename it back to svg. Boom, I got the svg there. Now there's also another what do they call it, another svg element here, which is the arrow. You can copy element, right click and copy, don't forget. Then I'll call it arrow to QR code.sv, paste it in, rename to SVG, and you see this. So every asset is coming in. I have these ones already. The background is here. So right click on this, save as, display card 2, right? Is that the name they gave it here? Display card 2, save, come to this one, save image, display card what? 3, SVG, save, come here, right click, save image as, and finally display card what? 1, save. So this is how you can get assets from a page. So I can get assets from a page, right? You can highlight, select things that you need. I'm not going to focus on this again. I've shown you how to do that. So right, so now is to go into what they call it, building our layout.